Hey cyclists, welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 best electric bicycle horns of 2024. Whether you're navigating crowded streets or cruising through quiet trails, having a reliable horn is essential for your safety. So let's dive in and see which horn fits your riding style. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the WT-07 electric bicycle horn. The WT-07 electric bicycle horn is designed to enhance the safety of cyclists with its high-volume sound and innovative features. Offering adjustable volume levels, an anti-theft alarm function, and multiple sound modes, this horn aims to provide effective communication on the road while ensuring peace of mind. In this article, we'll explore the pros and cons of the WT-07 to help you determine if it's the right choice for your cycling needs. Pros. High-volume sound. The WT-07 boasts an impressive volume range of 8130 dB, making it one of the louder bicycle horns on the market. With 3 adjustable volume levels, it effectively alerts pedestrians and vehicles, ensuring that you can be heard in various environments. This feature significantly enhances safety, especially in busy urban settings or during early morning rides when visibility may be lower. Anti-theft alarm function. One standout feature of the WT-07 is its anti-theft alarm. The sensitive trigger activates the alarm when someone attempts to move the bicycle, sending out a loud alert to deter potential thieves. This added layer of security is particularly valuable for cyclists who often park their bikes in public areas. Long battery life. The horn is equipped with a built-in large-capacity battery, designed for low power consumption and long endurance. It can be easily charged via USB, supporting connections from PCs, laptops, and USB hubs. This means less frequent charging and more time spent riding. Personalized sound settings. With 4 sound modes: whistle, horn, alarm, and beep. The WT-07 allows for personalized settings to suit different situations. The one-key switching feature makes it easy to change sounds on the go, giving you the flexibility to use the horn as needed. Durable and waterproof design. Constructed from high-quality PC and ABS housing, the WT-07 is designed to be sturdy and wear-resistant. Its IPX6 waterproof rating means it can withstand rain and other harsh weather conditions, making it a reliable choice for outdoor use. Easy installation and use. The horn is small and lightweight, making it easy to install on handlebars with a diameter of 22.2.2-32 mm. The quick-release design further simplifies installation and removal, allowing you to save time and effort when setting up your bike. Cons. Limited sound variety. Although the horn offers 4 sound modes, some users might find the available sounds somewhat limited or not particularly distinctive. Those looking for more varied or customizable sound options may want to consider other models. The WT-07 electric bicycle horn is a robust and practical accessory for cyclists seeking to enhance their safety and security on the road. With its high-volume sound, anti-theft alarm, and durable design, it provides valuable features that cater to the needs of serious cyclists. Coming in at number 4, we have the West Biking YP070605 electric bicycle horn. Cycling safety is paramount, and having a reliable horn can significantly enhance your visibility and communication with others on the road. The West Biking YP070605 electric bicycle horn offers a range of features designed to keep cyclists safe and alert. With multiple sound modes, a USB rechargeable battery, and a lightweight design, this horn is a compelling option for urban riders. Here's a closer look at its pros and cons. Pros. Long-lasting USB rechargeable battery. The built-in 150 mAh battery is rechargeable via USB, eliminating the need for disposable batteries. This is not only environmentally friendly but also ensures that you don't have to worry about replacing batteries frequently, allowing for uninterrupted use during your rides. Variety of sound modes. With 6 distinct sound modes, this horn provides versatility in alerting others. Whether you need a soft tone for quieter neighborhoods or a louder alert for busy streets, the various sound options allow you to choose the most appropriate signal for your surroundings. Excellent compatibility. The horn is designed to fit handlebars with a diameter of 22-31.8 mm, making it compatible with a wide range of bike models. This ensures that most cyclists can easily install the horn without needing additional adapters. High decibel output. The horn's high decibel output ensures that you're heard in noisy urban environments, which is crucial for safety. Its loud sound can help alert pedestrians and other cyclists to your presence, enhancing overall road safety. Lightweight and compact, at only 35 grams and measuring 4x4 cm, the West biking horn adds minimal weight and bulk to your bike. Its compact design makes it easy to integrate into your setup without impacting your bike's performance or handling. Cons. Durability concerns. The compact and lightweight design, while advantageous, may raise questions about the horn's durability in harsh weather conditions or during rough rides. Cyclists who frequently ride in challenging environments might be concerned about the long-term performance of the horn. The West Biking YP070651 electric bicycle horn is a practical accessory for cyclists looking to enhance their safety and visibility on the road. Its USB rechargeable battery, multiple sound modes, and high decibel output make it a valuable addition to any bike, especially for urban riders. The lightweight and compact design further add to its appeal, ensuring it won't weigh you down. However, potential buyers should consider the variability in sound quality, limited battery capacity, and compatibility issues based on their bike model. Overall, the West biking horn is a solid choice for those seeking a reliable and versatile bicycle horn to help navigate busy streets safely. At number 3, the Joshe electric bicycle horn. The Joshe electric bicycle horn is designed for cyclists seeking a straightforward and reliable horn to enhance safety on the road. With its easy installation, waterproof features, and dual functionality, this horn aims to provide a practical solution for everyday cycling needs. In this article, we'll examine the pros and cons of the Joshe electric bicycle horn to help you decide if it's the right fit for your biking adventures. Pros. Easy installation with silicone band. The Joshe electric bicycle horn is designed for hassle-free installation. You can quickly fasten the horn to your handlebars using a silicone band, which ensures a secure fit without the need for complicated tools or equipment. This user-friendly approach makes it accessible for cyclists of all skill levels. IP65 waterproof rating. One of the standout features of the Joshe horn is its IP65 waterproof rating, allowing it to function effectively in various weather conditions, including rain and fog. This durability ensures that you can rely on the horn even during inclement weather, enhancing safety and visibility on the road. 2-in-1 cycling horn functionality. The Joshe horn offers 2-in-1 functionality, making it a versatile accessory for cyclists. This feature allows you to switch between different sounds or alerts, providing options for different situations whether you need to signal pedestrians or alert vehicles. Frictional pad for stability. The inclusion of a frictional pad helps to stabilize the horn in place after installation. By adhering the pad to the corresponding area, you can ensure that the horn remains securely attached, reducing the risk of it shifting during rides. Cons. Silicone band durability. Although the silicone band provides a convenient installation method, some users may question its long-term durability, especially with frequent use. Over time, exposure to various weather conditions might affect the band's elasticity and effectiveness. The Joshe electric bicycle horn is a practical and straightforward accessory for cyclists looking to enhance their safety on the road. With its easy installation, waterproof design, and dual functionality, it offers valuable features for everyday riding. In the second spot, we have the Boya electric bicycle horn. For cyclists, ensuring safety on the road is of utmost importance, and having a reliable horn can significantly enhance awareness among pedestrians and other vehicles. The Boya electric bicycle horn combines high-volume alerts with additional security features, making it a compelling choice for riders. This article will explore the pros and cons of this innovative bicycle accessory. Pros. High volume for safety. The Boya electric bicycle horn delivers a loud alert that is essential for safe riding. Its high volume helps ensure that pedestrians and other cyclists are aware of your presence, particularly in busy urban environments where noise can easily mask quieter sounds. Variety of ringtones. With 4 distinct ringtones to choose from, the horn allows users to customize their alert sounds. This feature not only helps cyclists express their personality but also enables them to choose the most appropriate tone for different situations. Added security with burglar alarm. The inclusion of a vibration-induced burglar alarm is a unique feature that enhances security. By long pressing the left button, users can activate this alarm, providing peace of mind when leaving the bicycle unattended in public areas. Quick charging time. One of the standout features of the Boya horn is its rapid charging capability. Fully charging in about 20 minutes means that you can quickly power it up between rides, making it convenient for busy cyclists who may forget to charge their devices. Versatile charging options. The horn can be charged using various devices, including computers, power banks, and mobile phone chargers. This versatility ensures that you can easily recharge it anywhere, increasing its practicality for everyday use. Cons. Durability concerns. The build quality of the horn is not specified, which could leave potential buyers questioning its durability. Cyclists who often ride in tough conditions may want to ensure that the horn can withstand various weather elements and rough handling. The Boya electric bicycle horn offers a compelling combination of safety and security features, making it a valuable addition for cyclists concerned about their visibility and protection while riding. Its high-volume alert, customizable ringtones, and quick charging capabilities set it apart from standard bicycle horns. Additionally, the burglar alarm feature provides an extra layer of safety when leaving your bike unattended. However, potential buyers should consider the limitations regarding sound effectiveness, battery life, and installation ease. Overall, the Boya horn is an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their cycling experience with reliable safety features. And finally, at number 1, we have the Rockbros 342100002 electric bicycle horn. When it comes to cycling safety, a reliable horn can make a significant difference in alerting others of your presence on the road. The Rockbros 342100002 electric bicycle horn promises high volume and versatility, making it an attractive option for cyclists of all types. In this article, we'll explore the pros and cons of this electric bicycle horn. Pros. Impressive sound volume. With a powerful 120 dB output, the Rockbros horn is one of the loudest options available. This high volume ensures that cyclists can easily alert pedestrians and other vehicles, significantly enhancing safety on busy streets. User-friendly installation. The easy installation process is a significant advantage for cyclists who may not be mechanically inclined. The straightforward design allows users to quickly mount the horn without needing specialized tools or skills. Versatile compatibility. The horn's stretch mount design allows it to fit most bicycles, making it a flexible choice for a wide range of bike styles. Whether you ride a mountain bike, road bike, or hybrid, this horn can adapt to your setup. Secure elastic locking. The elastic locking mechanism provides a secure fit, ensuring that the horn remains in place, even on bumpy rides. This stability is crucial for maintaining effectiveness and safety. Water repellent design. The daily water repellent feature means that the horn can withstand light rain, making it suitable for various weather conditions. This durability adds to its longevity, ensuring it remains functional over time. Cons. Durability concerns. Over time, the long-term durability of the horn, especially the locking mechanism and water repellent features, is not specified. Cyclists who frequently ride in tough conditions may want to consider the horn's performance over time. The Rockbros 342100002 electric bicycle horn stands out with its high-volume output and user-friendly installation, making it a solid choice for cyclists looking to enhance their safety on the road. Its versatility and secure locking mechanism provide confidence during rides, while the water-repellent design adds a layer of durability. However, potential buyers should consider its limitations regarding weather resistance, volume effectiveness in noisy environments, and the lack of additional features. Overall, the Rockbros horn is a reliable option for cyclists who prioritize safety and simplicity in their riding experience.